I'm going to demo this new feature that I've added to Ducky for you. You can see here I've got an agent installed on this computer that I'm on. The new feature is automatic documentation. You can import documents if you already have some, but you can also go to an agent computer or a server and launch the Ducky documentation. It just uses the agent with a flag to open up this application here. You will input an article title. I'll name this article Verify DNS Connectivity. And then you input a description of what you're going to be accomplishing with the steps that you take. I'm going to say verify DNS can be reached. Yeah, verify DNS can be reached. Then you start recording. So you can see here, Control-Shift-S is my current capture macro. So I'm going to do CMD here, Control-Shift-S for a screenshot. Open up a new CMD window, and to find out what my DNS server is, I'll type in ipconfig/all, Control-Shift-S, screenshot. Hit enter, and then I'm going to kind of zoom out a little bit. And here's my Ethernet adapter. I'm going to highlight the DNS server there, Control-Shift-S. Copy that server, come down to the bottom, and ping the server name. Control-Shift-S. Look, I can reach DNS. So now that I've done that, I can come over here, stop recording. It has filtered the raw events that it found, and kept 47 relevant ones. So now that it has the relevant events and screenshots, I can click Generate Article. It generates an article. Found the article. Then I submit to org.kb. So that's the knowledge base. Refresh there, and here's the article. You can view it, and it has the screenshots that you took, the steps that you've taken, and the expected results. Soon I'll be adding the feature where you can import a template and then make that the template format for any articles that you want to automatically create through process scanning. You can go into permissions here, add access for org members there. That way they can edit, modify, whatever, delete the document. You can download it. I'll probably add PDF and docx here as well. You can edit it and make changes to it if you need to. And of course, delete. Super cool feature.